Class, number one, let's integrate this. In order to integrate this, you first have to make that u, which means that du would be 5 dx, and to get dx by itself, there you go. So it looks like we're going to end up with the integral of 1/5 tangent u du. Okay. And then from there, we look at our chart. To do tangent, you look at your chart. So you just have 1/5. And the integral of tangent, when you look at your chart, I can't talk, is negative ln cosine u plus c. That's just on your chart. And from there, you get negative 1/5 ln cosine, and u is 5x plus c. That would be your answer to the integral. Now, for number 34, there's two ways of doing this. I'm going to first do a u substitution. If I set my bottom to u, my top would end up being the integral of derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared x dx. So this one would be actually a really simple problem. Ends up being a negative 1 out front, 1 over u du, because this is this, put the negative out front, and that's u. So when you integrate this, you end up with negative ln u plus c, which is negative ln, and u is cotangent x plus c. There's your answer. Now there are actually, I thought of it just as I'm doing this, 3 ways of doing this. Could you also change cosecant squared x to be 1 over sine squared x? And can you change cotangent to be tangent and put it on top? Can you change the spots of them? And then can you rewrite cotangent as it's sine over cosine and start canceling a whole bunch of stuff down and change the whole way it looks? You can do it that way too and see what you get new. But this was actually really simple. And there's lots of ways. You could also do it this way. I'm not going to do the whole problem, but realize this is you could do this, and this becomes tangent, and this becomes cotangent. You could also do it this way, because 1 over cotangent is tangent, and this would be just simple cotangent. And could you integrate both of these separately? I'm not going to do it, but that would give you the same answer. Lots of ways to do it when you get trig sometimes. There's multiple ways.